Hello. Good morning. Where are we now? Iwafune.
Tochigi Prefecture.
Oh.
The Rock Mountain.
Rock Mountain is very beautiful. And we have a special guest today.
Yes.
Can you-
Hi, I'm Manatsu.
Manatsu-san.
Manatsu desu. Yoroshiku.
Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. And Miley.
Miley.
And then we are heading to a special place on top of that mountain, which we're gonna see some
Explosion.
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 Oh, it's really explosion.
We're gonna see explosion.
Okay, let's go.
Yay! Let's go. Yeah. This way.
It's very beautiful here.
すごい urban. Countryside.
Countryside.
Countryside view.
Have you been here before?
Now?
It's
First time.
Oh, first time. Your English is really good.
Ah, thank you.
Actually, how did you study English? Did you live abroad?
I went to Canada and New Zealand for working holiday,
For working holidays?
Oh,
Only that?
for a year.
like a half year and a half year.
Oh, in total 1 year. But your English is really good. It seems you. Cool. So, and then any beside that place that we wanna go now, any other recommended place in this area? Do you know anything?
Except
Any
for
hobbies?
explosion
Yeah.
in this area. Near from here there is a Nikko.
Oh, Nikko
Nikko.
is famous for.
Is a place where many traditional things, traditional buildings and the nature.
Oh, yeah, okay, historical building.
Yeah.
Also shrines, yeah. There are many
shrine.
temples and shrines there. Yeah?
Nikko Tosyogu.
Ah, Nikko
Big shrine.
Right.
Shogun grave.
Shogun grave.
There is
Oh.
a shogun's grave. And beautiful mountain, lake.
A waterfall.
Waterfall.
Oh, what was the lake on the top of the mountain?
That's called Chuzenji.
Oh, Chuzenji. Yeah, I've been there. It's so good. It's really amazing. Especially for now.
Yeah.
It's gonna be cool. The weather is not as hot as here, I guess, because it's on top of the mountain.
There are many villas around the lake.
Oh.
So, do you go to Nikko as a tour?
I sometimes include the tour in Nikko, but usually without like a tour guide, just guests go to the place by themselves.
So,
Just a land operator.
land operator. So you're organizing tours.
Yeah,
Set
I
up.
arrange tours,
Set up.
like arranging some services like
Right.
day out hotels and tour guide like her.
Okay. So you collaborate together.
So, I was hired.
Okay. Oh, the
Yeah. And now we are making next long tour.
next song.
So,
Yeah.
for the next March.
Next March. Okay.
Oh.
Awesome.
Advertisement.
So the plan is already made. The location where it's gonna be and stuff. No?
And now we are planning.
Okay. Still in discussion. Yeah.
Yes.
So please look forward to it.
Awesome. And then what else? Any? Oh, what is actually the popular food in Tochigi?
Tochigi.
What is-
Popular food in Tochigi.
Tochigi.
Strawberry. No?
Oh yeah, strawberry.
Strawberry. Oh, it's famous for strawberry farms.
そうだね。Tochigi Prefecture are good at making good strawberries.
Oh,
Don't
the expensive one, yeah.
No, 本当に high quality of strawberries
High quality of
they
stuff.
offer.
Right.
超美味しい。あとは
And food like what is the?
栃木。あれ、宇都宮餃子。
あ、そうだ。
Gyoza.
dumpling.
Gyoza. Dumpling. Oh, right. And
う
now
なぎそば。
soba. Soba also is popular.
やってないんだ。
Sobaは yeah, it's quite popular. There are many soba.
Oh, many soba. Right.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
So everywhere in Japan.
Right.
Here, it's Iwafune, maybe?
あお。
Iwafune山って書いてある。
岩船山。そう。
Oh, we have to go from here.
エントランス。
岩船山参道。How does sando in English? Mountain road.
So this road takes you to the Iwafune Yama,
Okay.
the mountain.
We actually don't have to go that way.
Oh, it's here. So we have to follow this map to go on top of the mountain. Huh.
Google says go to this street.
This is street, really?
Not this street.
Okay.
So this street looks attractive, but Google says this way.
This way. Okay.
ね、こっちの方がなんか
Maybe
ア
Google,
ドベンチャーストリートって感じなんですね。
maybe Google is wrong.
Yeah, sometimes he tells a lie.
Okay, we just trusted Google. Let's see. Google.
Is it okay to trust Google?
I think
Yeah. Let's just try. Let's test the Google today. If it was accomplished, then we can trust Google forever.
I have 騙された several times by Google.
Ah, we got confused by Google. Yeah.
騙された。
Yes. Especially in Tokyo, near the station, Google Map doesn't work properly.
あ、いや。そうだね。ここ？
山のパートとか開催してるって書いてある。あ、ね。石屋さんがいっぱいあったんだ。
Oh,
Explosion.
explosion. We just heard some explosion. It's a real explosion.
え、この道？持ってます。あ。すごい夏。
It's very hot. It's actually very hot, even though it's countryside in Tochigi, but it's hot. But it's so beautiful.
めっちゃリアル。夏を感じさせます。
Oh, we are almost on the top. Wow, so cool. We are almost near the mountain, and it's so hot. And that guy is a guide. He's gonna. Oh, wow. It's so cool. There's an airplane. Nice.
ありがとうございます。お願いいたします。
よろしくお願いします。
おー、あとこの仕事を一緒にやってる陽太郎ってわかります？
陽太郎。
陽太郎ジャパン。クリス
あ
アブロードインジャパン。
はいはいはい。
あれの運営をしている YouTuber で、あれが陽太郎。
ああ、はいはいはい。
なので、はい、一緒にやってますんで。
素晴らしい。
あ、佐山さんと一緒にやってる。
あ、そうですそうです。はい。
じゃあ後で挨拶。
ぜひぜひご挨拶してみてください。あと荷物ごめんなさい置いて、はいください。ちょっと暑いと思うんで気をつけてください。それでは、はい、やりますね。ぜひ見ていただいて。
あ、
ラスト毎回。でカメラがまあそこにある。でこう、はいそういう感じです。で、
ここ。
ここに立つ。
ここに立つ。
私たちがここに立つから。
はいはい。
で、あそこから爆破ね。黒いところから。
これところ。ああ、この近いね。
こういう感じで。
そうですそうです。で、一番うまく撮れるのがカメラと被写体と爆破の発火位置が一直線。
ああ、じゃあ本当に。
ああ、こんな感じ。
そうまっすぐね。
はいはい
すぐ目
はい。
の前だから。
カウントしていきます。
いや、iPhone じゃなくて、オスモ。
真ん中。
そう。 How was it? 暑かったね。
暑かった。怖かった。
うわ。いい感じ。
寒かったかな私。
すごかった。
あ、いい。
でもちょっと
はい、ありがとうございました。スタートとなります。
大丈夫。
大丈夫でしょうか。いいですね。ではカウントしていきます。本番です。いきます。3、2、1。
顔がやばい。決まんない。結構急だった。顔が急。今大丈夫だったかな。
大丈夫。How was it?
I was upset.
Huh?
I was upset.
Why?
Because it was sudden.
Sudden.
Very sudden.
How was
Yeah.
it?
I
Why was it?
prepare my
Ah, not prepare. But it was successful. お疲れ様です。
How was this?
Oh, awesome.
すごい戦ってる。
Thank you very much. Oh, that's
す
awesome.
ごい。
Awesome. Great. Thank you very much.
後ろのナパーム弾の汚れが背中。シャキーン。